it's Olga, and let me tell you a story. When I was still a student and I was still dating with my hubby, yeah, he was my boyfriend that time. One day we went to a shopping mall, to do some shopping, just to kill time and to chill out in general. And we were working in this shopping mall. And then, out of the blue, we got bored and we decided to do something crazy. He would love crazy. I don't know, we were really young and still at that time. And we decided to do something crazy actually. And then we started thinking, what possibly crazy can we do? Not to be actually in hot water, which means not to get into trouble, not to be into trouble, but some probably innocent pranks. And then we decided to change our outfit. Yeah, that was winter and I was wearing my ladies cap and my ladies winter overcoat, and he was wearing his. And so we changed, and I put his cap and I put on his winter coat. And surprisingly, I didn't feel like fish out of water. I felt pretty comfortable. And he tried to put, my overcoat on his shoulders. He was bigger than me, and he managed to put it on his shoulders. And he put my lady's cap. And yeah, surprisingly, I felt comfortable. I didn't feel like fish out of water, which means feeling really uncomfortable. And yeah, to really think how bad the whole situation is. People were staring, but we didn't care. People were, casting us those sideways looks, and some people were laughing, some people were looking back just at us, pointing their fingers, but we didn't care. Then we got bored again after some time, and we decided to be out of frying pan and into the fire, to jump from this frying pan and into the fire, which means to get away from one serious situation, but that wasn't a serious situation, but to another one. Yeah, we decided to undertake another adventurous undertaking, and we decided to stop people and to ask them directions. We pretended like we are not from this city, and we just stopped random people and we asked them non-existent directions in the city. Yeah, like, excuse me, could you possibly tell me where the Blueberry Street is? But we did know pretty well there's no such street in our city, or there's no such park in our city, and people were so much puzzled by our action, and they were kind of, oh my god, let me think a little bit, and then they were kind of, oh my gosh, I don't know. I mean, I'm the citizen of the city, and I've been living here for my entire life, but I don't know where the Blueberry Street can possibly be. And then so that's what we did. I guess we didn't bring some home or whatever. Yeah, but these were just innocent pranks, and today's task is tell us a story where you took some adventurous story that happened in your life, or that shouldn't necessarily be an adventurous story. Probably no, it's gonna be posted in our closed Facebook group. Tell us a little bit about silly or crazy things you did when you were young, or younger, or just in life. So that would be fun to listen to. And check the vocabulary I've used. I guess I've made some mistakes. I told jumping from frying pan, it's actually out of frying pan and into the fire. The expression is out of frying pan and into the fire, from one trouble to another. Another one I've used was out of the blue, which means suddenly. Another one, to feel like fish out of water, which means to feel really uncomfortable. And what else have I used? Just let me check. To be in hot water. To be in hot water, which means to be in trouble. So I'll provide some more vocabulary. You can use these vocabularies, or you can look for some new vocabularies related to adventures, crazy things on the internet. And have fun, be creative, don't be shy. Take care, and I'll see you around. Bye bye.